Last Friday we worked on our culture book, and last Friday's slide we worked on was the food slide. And this is my food slide. Last week I just put in the words, but I've since put in the pictures. And those are 4 slides that are, or 4 foods that are from my culture. Today we're going to work on the family slide. And after watching the video, you learned about different kinds of families and what a family is. And so thinking about my family, for me, I live alone. However, I do have a roommate. So my roommate is one person that I share my home with. So I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. Okay, that's my roommate. So my extended family, I have my mother, and she does not live with me, but she lives near me. I spend a lot of time with her. I have my siblings, and my siblings are kind of complicated because I have siblings on my mom's side from my for my mom's second marriage, and I have siblings on my dad's side for my dad's second marriage. My dad has passed away. My mother and father had 2 other children, but both of them have passed away. So I'm going to get rid of that dash there. So thinking about this, I will probably put my siblings. I have 1 brother, and I have 2 sisters. Okay, and then I probably would also want to include my 2 children. I have 2 children. And I'm going to put their names. Angela. And I'm going to put my mother's name, Sharon. And my roommate's name is Guy. And my brother's name is William. And my sister's names are Ellen and Samantha. Okay. Now I could also put my grandchildren in here, and I might choose to put like family pictures in this slide. So you can upload pictures of family members if you want to. When you're done with this, you're going to take a screenshot and you're going to upload it to the assignment. A lot of you did not do that last week, and so you didn't get credit. You need to make sure and take a screenshot of the family slide today and upload it.